You're sitting in the waiting room before a big interview. Your leg won't stop bouncing. Your mind is racing. And suddenly, your stomach lets out a loud, unmistakable signal. You need a bathroom, and you need it fast. Here's what's actually happening inside you. The moment you start feeling anxious, your brain treats it like a real emergency, even though nothing physical is actually attacking you. A part of your brain called the hypothalamus releases a chemical messenger called CRF, corticotropin-releasing factor. Think of CRF as your brain's emergency broadcast, sent out the second you feel threatened. This chemical doesn't just trigger that racing heart, sweaty palms feeling you know is fight or flight. It also travels straight down to your gut. Once CRF reaches your intestines, it locks onto special receptors there and basically tells your colon to move faster right now. Your colon's muscles start squeezing harder and quicker than normal. Food and waste get rushed through your system so fast that your body doesn't have time to absorb the water out of it like it normally would. That's why stress poop tends to be loose. There just wasn't time to firm it up. At the same time, the nerves lining your gut become way more sensitive. Things your body would normally handle quietly, small muscle contractions, normal movement, suddenly feel like urgent, can't wait a second signals. Your gut actually makes most of your body's serotonin, yes, the same chemical linked to mood. Normally, this serotonin helps keep digestion running smoothly, but when you're stressed, your gut releases extra serotonin, and that extra amount speeds everything up even more. On top of that, your nervous system shifts gears. Stress throws off the balance between the go and calm down signals your gut normally relies on, which throws your whole digestive rhythm out of sync. Inside your gut lining, you have immune cells called mast cells. When you're stressed, these cells release chemicals like histamine that make your gut lining more reactive and thus even more sensitive than before. And if you deal with stress a lot, it can actually change the bacteria living in your gut. A disrupted gut environment can make your gut send even more something's wrong signals back to your brain, creating a loop where stress upsets your gut and your upset gut feeds back into your stress. So here's the full chain reaction happening inside you, start to finish. You feel anxious. Your brain sounds the alarm and releases CRF. That chemical rushes down to your gut and tells your intestines to speed up, your nerves to get more sensitive, and your fluid balance to shift. And the end result is urgency, discomfort, and looser stools. Why does your body even do this? This whole system actually goes back to survival. A long time ago, if you were in real physical danger, emptying your bowels quickly meant less weight to carry while running or fighting. Your body was clearing the decks for action. The problem is, your body still runs this same program today, even when the danger is just an interview, a presentation, or a tense conversation. Your gut can't tell the difference between a real threat and a stressful thought. That sudden need to run to the bathroom before something stressful isn't random, and it's not just you. It's your brain and your gut talking to each other a little too well at the worst possible moment.